Hello, my name is Talat Qadir and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss new strategy of invoice parking using MIR7 in S4 Hana. I will also introduce you to a new feature of unplanned delivery cost in S4 Hana. Normally buyers or account payables team can handle the invoice parking area and they are not effectively uh, charging the amount on the material. So when it comes to payment of multiple PO lines and its conditions, they always have this hurdle or they do the manual calculation to distribute the amount which is the difference between the estimated price in the PO and the actual price which needs to be paid. So how to handle that we'll see today in the system. Okay, so let's move on to MIR7. This is the T code for invoice parking, and over here this is the main screen, and we will fill up some mandatory fields like the invoice date, invoice number. So I'm choosing the posting date because this is currently open in my system. We'll fill out this area because this is mandatory in my system. Over here, because I will be doing the invoice parking against a purchase order, and I will only show you the condition invoice parking because that is the main focus area of this video, and to give you the information how to park this invoice. So let's paste the PO number, and over here you need to select the planned delivery cost because we will only focus on parking of purchase order conditions. So press enter, again press enter, so that all the lines are visible in the bottom area. So let's close that. Let's close the header. Okay, so these are the 11 line items which are available to be parked. So let's suppose at the time of purchase order I chose 13% on the header level, and 13% is copied on every line item, and the 13% is calculated on the base of the line cost, total line cost. Yeah, means unit price is multiplied by the quantity. So it will give you the total line cost, and the 13% would be the custom duty which uh, I have in the system right now. So let's move on. So the main area is, let's suppose if you have received the custom duty amount, that is 186,780, right? So this is the custom duty which your clearing agent has requested you to be paid. So how to distribute this amount? And normally this amount won't be available because you, at the time of purchase order creation and the opening the condition in the PO on the head level or the line level, whatever your strategy is, this won't match this value which the clearing agent, it will always have the difference. So like I said, the estimated cost is the one which you open in the PO, and the actual amount which we will be parking right now. So just close that, and if you can scroll over here, so you can see the line cost of each line item, and this is the quantity. So to make it simple, let's suppose all 11 line items we need to pay the total quantity and the total line items. So we will be parking the complete PO line items. Okay, so place it over here, right, and you press Ctrl Y to enable the selection. You drag it and Ctrl C to copy it. Control Home to move your cursor back, and over here click V to paste the value and press enter. And see, this is the amount which you opened at the time of purchase order creation, and this is the amount which the clearing agent has requested you to pay. So this is the difference. So it is showing you the positive difference. It means you have estimated a lower cost in the PO, and the amount which you have shown over here is higher. So means you have estimated a lower value and you need to pay a higher value. And if it is a vice versa, then it will show you a negative value over here. So don't be afraid if it is a positive or a negative value. Just copy this value and go to details, and over here it's unplanned delivery cost. Just paste the amount, and because this is the mandatory field for invoice parking, that is why I'm filling over here. So what the system will do, this amount will automatically be weighted average division on all the line items. So let's suppose on the line item 1 it is 845, right? Press enter. See, the balance is 0, means the line item value and the amount which I have mentioned on the basic data tab is balanced. But we have done one more thing, that we have inputted the difference value in the unplanned delivery cost. So let's just simulate and see what is the difference the system has brought. So for the line item number 1, I showed you is 845. So system has converted that. This is the line item number 10. So it is showing me 1500.60, but actually it was 845. So it is topping it up to have a correct and effective value when you will be doing the GR. Because this is an imported purchase order and we are parking the invoice for the condition before the GR, that is why the actual amount needs to be affected on the material when you do the GR. So you just park the document, and this is the document number. So I hope you like this video and you like this technique. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting some of the videos which I know those would be the tips and tricks in SAP, and it will mostly be related to procurement. So keep watching my videos. Thank you.